Hey riders! Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, the home for honest, detailed, and adrenaline-fueled motorcycle reviews. Today, we're diving into a beast that's been setting the Superbike world on fire, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. Whether you're a track junkie or a tech-savvy street rider, this bike has a lot to talk about. So strap in and let's take a deep dive into everything that makes this RSV4 a real apex predator. Design and aesthetics. Let's start with the looks. The 2025 RSV4 Factory continues Aprilia's aggressive and aerodynamic design philosophy. The winglets are seamlessly integrated into the fairing, not just for show, but for serious downforce at speed. The LED headlight setup remains razor-sharp, and Aprilia's signature triple headlamp design still turns heads at every traffic light. For 2025, Aprilia has added new color options, including a stealthy matte black called Dark Lightning and a fresh livery inspired by their MotoGP RSGP. Every line on the body screams performance. The attention to detail is next level: carbon fiber accents, forged wheels, and a sculpted fuel tank that grips your knees like a glove. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 Factory is the same legendary 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, but Aprilia has fine-tuned it for 2025. It now pumps out a whopping 218 horsepower and around 125 Newton-meters of torque. That's race bike territory, right off the dealership floor. The throttle response is razor-sharp, and the engine feels alive at every RPM range. The exhaust note? Pure symphony. That deep V4 growl is music to any petrolhead's ears. And thanks to €5 plus compliance, it's cleaner without sacrificing its raw character. Aprilia's engineers have also worked on better heat management, so city riding doesn't feel like sitting on a furnace anymore. Chassis, suspension, and brakes. The 2025 RSV4 Factory carries forward its race-proven aluminum dual-beam chassis, offering exceptional rigidity with reduced weight. What's new this year is the revised geometry and adjustable swing arm pivot, which gives riders more tuning freedom. On suspension duty, we've got the latest Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active system. It continuously adapts to your riding style in real time. Whether you're hitting canyon corners or full-throttle straights on the track, the ride remains balanced and composed. Braking is courtesy of Brembo Stylema calipers, clamping onto dual 330mm discs at the front. The feel is sharp, consistent, and confidence-inspiring, even under aggressive track conditions. Electronics and rider aids. This is where the RSV4 Factory truly earns its factory badge. Aprilia's APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, suite is among the best in the industry. For 2025, it's more refined, faster, and smarter. You get lean-sensitive traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, cornering ABS, launch control, and even cruise control for those long highway rides. It also includes 6 riding modes: 3 for the road and 3 for the track, fully customizable to suit your preferences. The 5-inch full-color TFT display is intuitive and bright even in direct sunlight. It connects via Bluetooth, allowing you to control calls, music, and navigation. The new user interface is simpler, quicker, and lets you tweak your settings on the fly. Ergonomics and ride comfort. Though it's a track-focused machine, Aprilia has made surprising strides in comfort. The seat is plush enough for spirited road riding, and the handlebar placement feels aggressive without being wrist-breaking. For 2025, the tank shape has been revised to offer better support under hard braking. The footpeg placement gives you plenty of cornering clearance without feeling cramped. While it's no touring bike, you can definitely enjoy a few hundred kilometers without feeling like you've been to war. It's not just a weapon on the circuit, it's a capable road machine too. Track impressions. On the track, the RSV4 Factory is a scalpel. The front-end feedback is telepathic, the chassis feels rock-solid mid-corner, and the electronics work in the background without being intrusive. The V4 power band delivers brutal acceleration out of corners, yet remains manageable thanks to the electronics suite. Downshifts with the quickshifter are buttery smooth, and you can brake deep into corners with total confidence. Whether you're an amateur racer or a weekend warrior, the RSV4 will elevate your game. Price and competitors. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory doesn't come cheap. It's priced around $26,500. But considering what you're getting, MotoGP level tech, a screaming V4, and world-class handling, it's actually a solid deal in the leader bike segment. Its main rivals include the Ducati Panigale V4S, BMW M1000RR, and the Yamaha R1M. Each has its strengths, but the RSV4 Factory offers one of the most complete packages. Blending character, performance, and tech with Italian flair. Who should buy this bike? The RSV4 Factory isn't for everyone. If you're new to superbikes, this might be overkill. But for seasoned riders looking for an elite track weapon that's also street legal, the 2025 RSV4 Factory is as good as it gets. It's for riders who want cutting-edge performance, customizable tech, and a visceral riding experience wrapped in a race-bred Italian chassis. If that sounds like you, this bike won't disappoint. Final verdict. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a masterclass in engineering and design. Aprilia has managed to keep the soul of the RSV4 alive while fine-tuning everything to near perfection. It's brutal, beautiful, and brilliantly balanced. At Bike Review Hub, we give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. Minor complaints like the premium price or limited pillion usability are easily overshadowed by the sheer joy this machine delivers every time you twist the throttle. Outro. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more two-wheeled reviews, and drop a comment below. What do you think of this Italian stallion? Is it your dream superbike? This is Bike Review Hub, signing off. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.